Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. Today we just installed this T-Rex grill with a ZROADZ light, and it completely changed the look of our 2016 Jeep Wrangler, and today we're going to show you how to install it. This kit includes a very nice grill insert with a 10-inch super bright LED light bar and its own wiring harness. It's going to give our Jeep a nice custom look while improving off-road visibility, and it comes with everything you need for installation, so today we're going to install it on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Tools you'll need for this installation: 1/4-inch ratchet, 8mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, 11mm socket, 3/8 socket, a marker, a drill, 1/8 drill bit, some sort of cutting tool, tape, and safety glasses. The first part in this process is removing the factory grill by removing the 6 clips on top of the grill. Pull on the grill to remove it. Make sure you unsnap all of the clips. Unplug the turn signal harness. Then remove the grill from the vehicle. Place the grill insert over the factory grill and line it up with the P in Jeep. Then you're going to mark your holes where you're going to drill, and then make your lines where you're going to cut the factory grill out from behind the grill insert. I'm going to drill this hole right here for the bottom pin. Then we can get our marks where we're going to cut the grill out. Now I'm going to place painter's tape on the very edge of the grill. Then I'm going to cut inside the painter's tape. This so I can keep track and keep my cut straight. And make sure that I cut the right amount. I'm going to cut right here and then work our way down until it looks nice. I'm not going to make one big cut and mess up. I'm going to work my way down until it looks nice. With all the slots cut out, we can test fit it and see how it looks so far. It's looking really good. I'm going to trim a little bit more on the bottom. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Now that we know the grill fits, you can file down the edges if you like to make them nice and smooth. Peel off the tape. Pull the covers off of the studs. Install the grill and then flip it over. Place a bracket over each stud, and then the nylon nut. Tighten each nut with an 8mm socket. With the grill fully secure, we can now install the light bar. Install the provided bracket on each side of the light bar. Then install the nut. Tighten the nut down. Place the brackets on the back side of the grill. Install a bolt through the front. Place it through the light bar bracket. And then install the nut on the back side. Tighten everything down with a 1/8 hex key and a 3/8 socket. Fully tighten the bracket to the light bar. Then install the optional stainless steel plate on the back side of the ZROADZ emblem. Put a bolt through the front and a nut on the back. Alright, with everything assembled, you can reinstall the grill. Plug in the turn signal harness. This grill comes with its own wiring harness that you can use, but we're going to wire ours up into our trail rocker system, but you can wire it up however you would like. Our T-Rex grill is installed. I have to say I absolutely love the way it looks. It matches the headlight bezels and the turn signal guards really well. Installation will take you about an hour and a half, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.